Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Dent. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. If you haven't seen the previous update on Dent, make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the top right-hand corner of your video. Check it out before watching this one so you have more context. Now, I'm not going to be repeating a lot of the stuff I said in the previous video for the sake of not repeating it. Now, we are on the daily chart. This is Dent. As you can see, we did drop down to the 55 EMA, and in the last update, I did give you the support levels of the 55 and the 20 EMA, and I said that we potentially can drop back down there. We even dropped down as low as the 200 EMA. We'll take a look at that in a few seconds. Now, you can see that really the 0.5 is holding us and rejecting us from this area, right? You can see that we can get through that area. And each time we get there, we get rejected back down to the EMAs. Right now, we're back above the 20 EMA, which is bullish, and we're targeting that golden ratio, right? Once you break this 0.5, you're looking for the golden ratio, right? And we've been rejected from that area a couple of times before. So 1, 2, and we're looking for that third time. And this time we better break these levels of resistance, back test them as support, and start looking at these upper levels of resistance that I have. So it's really important that we get enough volume. And Dent has been going sideways, obviously, but this was a nice place actually to start dollar cost averaging. Now we are obviously in this large cup and handle pattern. We just broke out of the handle, and we're looking to take out the resistance of the cup. And once you take that out, you're looking at 0.0165 cents. So that's doing all good. If Bitcoin has a pullback, a liquidation cascade starts, I'll look for the 0.382 as support over here below you, and I'm going to give you that level. That is 0.004431. That is your support on the 0.382. If we start going anywhere below that, you do have the 0.236 below that, but I don't think we're going to be going that low, because by that time we were going to have a bearish cross on the daily chart. So I really don't think we're going to be going as low as the 0.236, but that's sitting at 0.002999. So yeah, those are some of the support levels. Obviously, the resistance levels over here, we may come up to the golden ratio and get rejected once again. So you may have some sell orders at 0.0083. You can look at that, and resistance level over here at 0.008817. So if we get rejected, you're coming back down to the 0.5 potentially, or we can just get rejected and a couple of days later just break through that, right? Or we can break through it instantaneously and just melt faces and have that strong move towards the upside. Nobody really knows, but you have to be ready for anything that happens. If you're holding long term, don't be worried about the price right now. Come back in November, December, and start taking profits at these higher fib levels over here. We're looking at the 1.272 on the large fib, 0.046 cents. The 1.414 on the fib gives us a price of 0.067 cents, and the 1.618 gives us 11.5 cents. So the 11.5 cents, I don't know if we're going to get there, but with FOMO, anything can happen. This is crypto. So that's 1,800% profit from where we are right now. So, it's crazy. Honestly, it is. So that's it for the daily chart. If we jump into the RSI right now, I did give you this yellow rectangle as a support area on the RSI. And I said, if we come back there, you can start dollar cost averaging into Dent. And lo and behold, that did happen. We came back into this area, and we had a nice V-shaped recovery out of that area. So if you bought in at this little dip, you are in profit already, my friend. So you're looking good. Obviously, this support level that was holding us for quite a few days is now turned into resistance, and we may potentially end up hitting our head on that level. So you have to be really careful and don't sell too early, right? Because you may think that this is going to be a resistance, and you sell before you even touch it, and the price ends up breaking through, and you're going to be sorry. So only sell when you're certain that the price is going to get rejected. And obviously you can never be too certain, but you know, you have to be comfortable with yourself, and you have to be comfortable with the fact that you may sell and the price is just going to go parabolic after that, right? That's what a lot of times happens. So it's a lot about the mental preparation, I would say. So yeah, now that's it for the RSI. Let's jump into Binance. So jumping into Binance, I did have a symmetrical triangle in the last video, and we did break down from that triangle. So I adjusted the triangle a bit, and I basically, it was like this, right? And we just broke down. I think it was something like that, yeah? We broke down from there, so I adjusted the triangle. So we're still in a symmetrical triangle, right? It's just that it's now wider, you know? And we still are holding this level of support. So it's looking good, right? I did say that the 200 EMA is going to be a major support level. You want to look for buy levels at that 200 EMA. And we actually got to the 200 EMA. And if you bought in at the 200 EMA, you're looking at 42% profit right now. So it's very good, you know. Listen to the levels that I give you because they are important. A lot of the times they do play out, trust me. Now, actually don't trust me, no, I'm not a financial advisor. Do whatever you want. We do have an inverse head and shoulders playing out over here with a target of 0.01 cents, right? And the target from the horizontal over here, the symmetrical triangle, is 0.0116. And if we look at the profits, 68% and 90% profits respectively for those two targets. And obviously, we need to look at the golden ratio, right? We need to take out the golden ratio first. Once you take out the golden ratio, you get through these targets. You're looking at the full retracement to the previous swing high, which from where we are right now is looking like, yeah, that's 280% in gains. So we're looking very good. It's doing what it needs to do, right? It's not going too parabolic just yet. And yeah, let's just jump into the technical indicators over here on the daily chart. You can see that we didn't have enough steam for the stochastic RSI to go all the way up here to the overbought. So we rolled over earlier, and now we were looking to come back to the oversold, right? But the bears weren't strong enough, and now we're having this sort of a trend reversal, right? You can see that we're about to form the little bullish cross on the stochastic RSI, and potentially we can be on our way to the overbought here, right? You can see that you were over here for since September 30th all the way down to October 7th. So really a week. So you had a week to decide when you want to take profits, and you could have bought back in when you were in this zone here. So that's regarding the stochastic RSI. On the MACD, we're waiting for the bullish cross, you know. Wait for the bullish cross on the MACD. That will be your confirmation if you're scared getting into Dent right now, right? But I wouldn't be scared getting into anything pretty much right now that has good fundamentals. But yeah, wait for the bullish cross. Once we get the bullish cross on the MACD, that is your confirmation. Obviously, by that time, the price could have appreciated even more. But, you know, it's all about managing risks and, you know, to each his own risk management. Now, that is pretty much it, guys. If I missed out anything on the charts, please let me know down below in the comments. And let me know what are your targets for Dent. I have started a Patreon, so make sure to check that out. It's linked down below in the description. There are 3 different tiers with different benefits for each tier. It's very exciting. Make sure to check it out. I'm already posting Patreon exclusive stuff that I'm sharing with the patrons, obviously first, then with the Telegram chat and the Discord server. So yeah, check that out, and check out the Telegram and the Discord server as well. And check out the 2 videos on your screen right now. Thank you for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.